Section 3, using management information. Information then in various systems serves a distinct purpose for management in fulfilling their responsibilities. Initially then, information is utilised for planning, requiring then both internal and external data to formulate effective strategies. Subsequently then, control processes rely on the availability of this information for comparison against actual results, facilitating then adjustments as necessary. Control necessitates the reception and processing of data to provide feedback, enabling then management to monitor performance and make informed decisions. Ultimately then, the effective utilisation of information supports both planning and control functions, contributing then to an organisational success. Let's now look then at Anthony's hierarchy. So Anthony's hierarchy then proposes a classification of information within an organisation into 3 tiers based on its use then at different levels. So at the top level then we have the strategic level, in the middle then we have the tactical level, and at the bottom then we have the operational level. This hierarchy then acknowledges that information serves distinct purposes depending then upon the managerial level. So at the strategic level, information pertains then to long-term planning and decision making, guiding the organisation's overall direction and goals. Moving then down to the tactical level here, information is used for monitoring and controlling organisational activities, ensuring alignment with strategic objectives and facilitating performance evaluation. Here we're looking then much more at the medium term planning and control decisions. Finally then, at the operational level, information at this level is utilised then for day-to-day operational activities, such as routine resource allocation, scheduling, and task execution, supporting efficient and effective workflow management. These then are often short-term decisions that are very routine processing then of transactions.